If you're in a project folder and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see this notes section. If you click on the pencil and you want to add a row, maybe you're adding notes on the living room. Just click on living room and you can say does not like red, entertains often. Whatever notes you want to save. And then you could add another row that's maybe dining room. Needs to seat 8 to 10 people. Whatever notes you want. And then you just click save. It'll save any edits that you've made from the moment that you've clicked on that pencil. And then when you scroll to the bottom, you can see the notes. If you want to expand this, because you can remember in the living room, we have more than one note, you just click that pencil icon again, go over to the living room, click on the little arrow, and there are all of your notes. I find this is a really great tool after I've met with a client. I organize my notes in here so that I know where they are. And then when I'm designing, I might be in the collections and I'll see, oh, you know what? I can't remember if they said they did or didn't like leather or whatever it might be, and I can quickly go over to whatever room I'm designing and look at my notes from there.